So that is where the term shell shocked came from. And again, through time, it changed. And currently, we know it as post traumatic stress disorder, which is PTSD. PTSD is an anxiety disorder, and people often deal with it because of, it could be triggered by trauma that had happened in your past life, or the accident that you went through, or even current life. There are many theories about it, and people keep on, building up new therapies regarding this. So it happens because of the response of the body towards a stimulus that is very scary. This is something that I'd like to show you. This is a stress response system. So you might think that, okay, this is just a, behavioral response to a particular stimulus, but it happens through our body. So endorphins are released in our body, and serotonin and dopamine behave in a certain way. These are chemicals that our brains have, and our digestive system stops working because our uh, sympathetic nervous system has started working now. So because of sympathetic nervous system, our digestive system stops working because of that reason. So normally nowadays, what have happened is, say if you're working from Monday to Friday every single day, and suddenly your boss says that you have to work on Saturday and Sunday as well because they have a lot of work, the trigger response would be stress. You don't want to do it. You want to be away from that situation. You want to fight with your boss and argue that these are the only 2 days that I get to rest. So that is a normal stress response to and flight and fight phenomena. Now coming back to the picture I showed you, I'd like to ask you one thing. When you saw the person in the bottle, what did you think about? And I can only tell this through the demonstration right now. What did you think about? Claustrophobia.